Hello friends, welcome to Hrishi Computer Education. In this particular presentation, I'll be guiding you about desktop publishing (DTP). Desktop publishing is the use of the computer and software to create visual displays of ideas and information. Desktop publishing documents may be for desktop or commercial printing. It's about using that software to combine and rearrange text and images and creating digital files. So friends, why to learn DTP? Modern desktop publishing software is a technological tool for improving communication, delivering information, and saving time. It allows businesses to create pieces for marketing and internal communications quickly and efficiently. Following are some of the artistic layouts which are designed by DTP artists. Design print communications such as brochures, flyers, ads and posters, catalogs, directories and annual reports. He can design logos, business cards and letterhead. He can even design and publish newsletters, magazines, books and booklets. He can design and publish blogs and websites. He can even create resumes and business forms including invoices, inventory sheets, memos and labels. He can design slideshows, presentations and handouts. He can even make digital scrapbooks and print digital photo albums. He can create decorative labels, envelopes, trading cards, calendars, and charts. He can even create and print greeting cards, banners, postcards, candy wrappers, etc. Let's discuss what are the role-specific responsibilities of a DTP artist. Working to a design brief from the client or designer. Using DTP software to produce a layout for each page of the publication. He should know how to format the data. Selection and checking of colors is one of his prime responsibility. Scanning and editing photographs and other images, etc. is also one of his responsibility. So what are the job skills that you need to succeed to be a DTP artist? Expert knowledge of CorelDraw, Photoshop, InDesign and Illustrator. You should have knowledge of all aspects of branding. You should have knowledge of all departmental processes, that is time management, document management, etc. Practical knowledge of workflow processes is must. Good understanding of DTP's role. And also you must have a strong attention to detail and consistency. Good understanding of general design principles is also essential. Here are some of the basic qualities which DTP artist must possess. He must have excellent computer skills and knowledge. He must be creative with an eye for good design. He must be able to prioritize a varied workload. He must work well under pressure and to strict deadlines. He must enjoy doing artistic work. Let's categorize the workplace for DTP operators. Desktop publishing in office consists of brochures, flyers and posters, booklets, newsletters, business cards and letterhead, forms, financial documents and HR documents, invoices, inventory sheets, memos and labels. Now, desktop publishing in a home environment consists of greeting cards, iron-on transfers, candy wrappers, postcards, digital scrapbooks, decorative labels, family calendars. Other places desktop publishing thrives consist of churches, schools, copy centers, clubs and organizations, sports team.